Hello and welcome. You're watching Donbosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai presenting to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Students face scholarship delay due to fund release issues. Tragic death of 13-year-old boy in Karnataka hostel incident. CM Conrad K. Samla inaugurates first scientific coal mining block in Meghalaya. And Meghalaya launches Skillerit Connect program to promote self-employment. And now the news in detail. Students in various schools and colleges have expressed frustration over the delay in receiving their scholarships for the past 2 years, 2023 and 2024, hindering their ability to continue their studies. Several students visited the office of the Director of Higher and Technical Education in Najumkra to inquire about the situation. Among them were Bats Khemlang Lingkhoy and Lapantingan Khongla, who met with Joint Director Ba Firstborn Ramsid. Ramsid explained that the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, had delayed the release of scholarship funds. Although the money has now arrived, technical issues are preventing its disbursement, placing additional pressure on the office to resolve the matter swiftly.
Ay lero ikiparlo kibayawan lang ng college kibaper Shillong College Shirpi sa Anthony St. Mary's kibawan ba niya amin si mahal but kajingwan jang iban sa kanay ka DHTE ko lang banginwan wat jingtep ya kanay ka scholarship ka jongi ba hadu mentang impayo bagi bun gi kena kilayo ya ka scholarship but bun na padeng jongi dong impayo arkanyo ajang gi kena impayo ya ka scholarship but kapag lang yung ipangin wat jingtep siya ka sa DHTE but kad ko mangilawan hang ne hapo DHTE ngi yo jingtep ba kadai ka Ministry of Tribal Affairs ka bangpat panlat ya kanay ka scholarship jongi bangkap pat fund ya ka scholarship dia kajingkili kalong ba ya kane ka sarkar jilla ka jongi kalong kade ka kamram jong ka sarkar jilla bakan pressure ya ka sarkar jilla jong ka India ba yang ye ki samla bangi deban ngin yo no ya ka pisa scholarship na mababone ki pedeng ki kena ngi depend ba na kane ka scholarship bangin yo ban ngin bangin pursue ya ka jing kuliah ka jongi but kumba menta ngi iba ka drop out rate hapo ka Meghalaya jongiru kahay ha hadu kata-kata yo let's say kala ban lang ba ki kena kimla ban support ban siu by class kumnu bangkin jam syapang ya ka jing puli jongki but ka penduk min sim ru ya ka ki kena ki samla ba ka scholarship ru kam hadu menta kam payo but kalong ru ka eke bas ngusi ban yu ibalong kumne ma namar ki paru ki pun ba bala but ki kena samlar ki bun ba ni lane treitang ikmie lane treitang pa but kalong ru ba ni kerpar ka sarkar jilla bakin ba kalong ka ba la ba pin pha shitine pha dik eki ba ya ka sarkar jilla bakan perlanya ka scholarship jungi but ka chief minister jong ka Meghalaya jungi uang ba ya ki kena samla jungi uang ba you are the bright future of this state Henday kar kum bangipait menta pade kam bright chuken kala long dum kala pendu jing kerman ya ki ka baki ang nut ki khana samla ba ki ka baki kwa ha ka jing im ka jongki ru kala pendu jing kerman ki samla ba bakin long kalawai ka ba pernah kin jong kene ka jela ka jongi ngin iba kan ki kasar ka jongi kalong kloy bhatangi kini kita masa ki cherry blossom wana ki nong roi ki ba pher kat ba ya ka sarkar ka jongla ka jela ka jongi padete kala nang duk ken.
A 13-year-old boy from Meghalaya tragically died, and 29 others were hospitalized in critical condition after consuming contaminated food at an unauthorized hostel in T. Kagepura village, Mandaya district, Karnataka. The deceased was identified as Sunday Kerlang, a class 6 student from Lindam village, Panursla. The incident occurred at a residential school of Gokul Educational Institution, which has been operating an illegal hostel since 1989, lacking proper infrastructure. Preliminary reports suggest the students, many from Meghalaya and Nepal, were part of an RSS group. They were served leftover food from a holy celebration in Malavali, which included vegetable pulao and chutney. The food was distributed to the students, and the following day, all fell ill. Kerlang later died, while others remain in critical condition. Mandya police have arrested 3 individuals including the cook, hostel warden and school owner. Karnataka CM Siddharamaiah has expressed condolences and promised compensation. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sama inaugurated the first scientific coal mining block Sarankham A in Bindihati East Jaintia Hills district. The event was attended by several dignitaries including Sutanga Saipong MLA, Herbertus Nongtdu, JHEDC EM, Deputy Commissioner Shivansh Awasthi and SP East Jaintia Hills. At the inauguration, CM Sama highlighted the challenging journey to revive the coal mining industry in the state, noting it took 7 to 8 years to introduce modern mining technology. Elders, community leaders and village headmen expressed their gratitude to the state government for its efforts, acknowledging the hard work that led to the resumption of coal mining under Sangma's.
Today, almost after a decade of the coal mining being banned in the state of Meghalaya, we have finally inaugurated the first scientific coal mine in the state. And this is truly a historic day and a red letter day for the people of the state. As we all know, for a decade, the different individuals and families who had been dependent directly or indirectly on coal mining had suffered in the last 10 years because of the ban on coal mining. But today, with the efforts that have been made by the state government and the support that we got from the central government, we have been able to lift that ban and also start the first scientific coal mine in the state. So I wish the coal miners the very best. I encourage other miners also to please apply for the official mining license, and all the support will be given from the state government. And at the same time, we are working very hard to see how our traditional miners and small-time miners could also be supported. We understand that there are limitations, but our efforts are on to engage with Government of India to see and find ways in which even the small miners will soon be able to start their mining. But in the meantime, we will move ahead with this particular scientific mining that we started. And once again, as I said, it's a historic day and a day that is going to be remembered, that the first scientific coal mine was inaugurated today in the state. Thank you very much.
The Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, in collaboration with the East and West Khasi Hills District, launched the Skillerate Connect program to empower individuals with self-employment opportunities. The event took place on 17th of March at the football ground of Kinshipulun. Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Mazel Amprin Lingdor inaugurated the program as the chief guest. Attendees included Deputy Commissioner Anita Kharpor, ADCs, BDOs and local residents. In her speech, Dr. Amprin emphasized the importance of starting one's own business instead of solely waiting for government jobs, highlighting the fulfillment that comes with self-employment. She also praised young people and women who have excelled in traditional clothing skills through training.
Shipor pi hapship training hino tu mama pimdan na kawai tulti. Enrai wat sa yu tu mama pat si junok ken. Shimti no yu tu kakamai no u nyan ulat lek tam la chisni. Rengim la man yo kan pendi ya kita ki skilled people. Ngapain mga? Bet yaki small and rural and medium industries. Bet ki jantia. Bet ki ribhoi. Kopno kilas dang ban shim yu to umar jhur jongki pan penmi Yaki products ki popoi sha Shillong duriau. Ben yaki kon ki jungi ki balalong ki nos. Pat ki caregivers. Kumno ki kloy pan shim ya karay na kaya kasemban ong ngan lete bangan wad ya kakamay kakaji. Bet saudong ka perthai pinum lap ka wairu ka city habandang tang ki breu jong ka tu ka state. Ki khasi jong ikat no pong spangot. Bet mene ka jing thang ka men sem habayo ya ka jing tip. Bayap wai ukna puli ko tang khalai snem. Pasyapan ben ha kata ka caka puli ka jong. Lanongin play gitu ki caka puli hang ne bagi kodok ki kinumablet show. Minister badan burom jungi matakas ni ang madam penbena bangin sa place sa light li ki centers ki pan ai ka jingtimet hakikam ki paper ka jingkali ka long pumni pinlet sikitu ki caka puli tang banyo ya ka stipend katu ka papiyo sisen sitayaw ne pinlet man kai pat salayeng pan ra ya kata kejeng hikai pat penkrau ya kata kejeng hikai mangi ki kemi ki paru ki wei lada ki khon kim dan kam sarkar ki tu bam dan kam la chu penjiro we yu khon tangin ya pen kela ya la ka jong kejeng long ki kemi ki pa lada u khon jong pi u ra yu mo kheu ai kejeng ya rap yu ban ong u khon jong u dei u nong rep pat ngau rem kakam sarkar kanung ayu khon jong pi ya kata ka jingkemen men sem kabaki entrepreneurs kidon wakermen ke jingwan ke jong nasya de ka message pinyo ka message kalong what ju ong ngamla pidai ban ong ngan persyang hadu pangan dat tebit pat ngan yo ka kamay ka kaji ka ban penim me ki kon ki kti ki jonga what's no ban lada pimdan ka kam sarkar pide ujiro ha ka jing ban ka jok mentalay ki babon ki kon ki muat sho ya ka kam sarkar kilawan.
Employees of banks across India under the United Forum of Bank Unions will strike on 23rd and 24th March 2025 to demand the implementation of their 12 key demands from the Government of India. Speaking to reporters on the evening of 17th March, representatives from various unions including Wan Raplang Mauro, convener of the All India Bank Officers Confederation Meghalaya State Unit, and Ba Davis Lingdo announced the nationwide protest. The primary demands include filling vacancies in government-owned banks, particularly for officers, clerks, peons and cleaners to address the unemployment crisis. Other major issues include reducing working days to 5 per week, increasing the retirement gratuity from Rs 20 lakh to Rs 25 lakh, and preventing interference from foreign authorities in banking operations. During the strike, all government banks will remain closed and ATM services may be disrupted due to no deposits being made.
Government office, bangiro min yo para 5 days banking. Ya kabamenta ni trade adu. Singinong ko do si sejan ta drusni siyo. Like no tang ka si sejan ka baar pas si sejan ka sa. Ngipat pan pa kadi binong no 5 days banking. Terus mentakat kami isni kamtam ki hakisor ki cakap ki nombak ko he. Kibun kibri mentak ki lasang ya penokam di digital banking. Kibun nilala pa chip sa digital banking. Kini ki bateri abang jungiro yo kata kajing sisni bengin yo Khubor bengin yo donang bagi ba hing basan jungi bagi kun kiti bengin yo mendak kamre te ha uni upanai uni sinam baladep kaladun ke jingate apadeng jong ka youth view bat ka IB Indian Bank Association ka ba dei ka seng jong bro ki naliang jong ba ni long ta ba kiba naliang jong ba ki don ko we ka seng bagi khot ka IB naliang jong association ki don ka youth view ke kaladun ke jingate ka jing sutu jinggot ba maki kita recommend ni kata 5 days banking. Andai ka jingbet apa kot pada kan apa ai ka sarkar government of India under the Department of Financial Services DFS. Ya tu mata kata ni patyo di kata rong ya demand. Halor kata apa ba ka gratuity ka sarkar pedeng kalapan kiwi itu ka gratuity bahwa ubri usok thai uyo ka gratuity kalong ka jing ai na liang jong ka nuga offense bo fitri mafi ka tas nem like bos nem like sans nem la tre batni te kumpan man kan i kata jing sumu ni kata jing sumu kemen ai da kuwi ka khot ka gratuity ki central government but kiwi government kilayo department kilayo sanak gratuity ni abang yang yo atlak tinggi demand ba penkiu ta gratuity naka ako saka ako sanak halo kata ni don su sakiwi ki demand.
So viewers, that is all for today. This is Mona Lisa signing off. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.